London open, you can see basically these yellow boxes represent risk and ultimately shooting for at least 1-to-1 and then further blocks as you let it run. So for example, in the open, you can see you have your risk of buying right here, shooting for at least 1-to-1. Of course, it fails immediately, so you lose about 20, maybe 25 ticks there. But you enter on this candle here, and as you can see, immediately you get your first block, so you locked in that profit. And let's say you had 5 contracts, you close 4, you let the other one run down, and you get a pretty good chunk of profit there. So same concept here. You buy here, price does not even come close to your stop loss, and you do get your 1-to-1. And same with this one, you get your 1-to-1. And again, same concept here. You sell right here, price does not come close to your stop loss, and you're able to get 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks of profit on your 1 block of risk. It sounds stupid, but whatever. So as you get to the New York Open, which can be really tough. So you do take a loss here, because you buy here, and as price comes down, you're going to enter this short, but you're able to get your 1-to-1. You likely don't get these 2 and maybe partially 3 because this next candle comes up and wicks you out. And then, of course, if you go long here, this next candle is a sell, so you're going to take a partial loss from this one. And as you can see, price does not come close to your stop loss, and it gives you that your 1 block of profit, and then you're able to get maybe a partial of the second block. And then I also use the Gann levels to help navigate this, because you can see at 257, you do to get a doji and then a flip here. And then the fun part with NQ is you all know, if you trade NQ, that if you get a buy here, look at this next freaking candle. This is a wick that wipes out this awesome long, because it's perfect good entry. This wick just wipes it out for loss. So, but what you could do is re-enter here. Price does not even come close to your stop loss, which would be insane anyway. That's a long. I'd probably have my stop closer to here. But it's just the way the price action is. Nothing's perfect. You're not going to always get your 1-for-1. If you got long here, at least at the 50% mark, take some profit, especially when you see this wick or this doji in between these areas. So anyway, that's how I navigate the SMA 20, the 20 SMA strategy with the 5-minute candle. I think it offers some pretty good opportunity to make things a little bit easier as you trade. And I do like it overall. The open can be very tricky. As always, it's never easy, especially on, as they say, Terrible Tuesdays. So anyway, look for your thoughts on the strategy, and I will continue to test it. And thanks for your time.